Do I need to be technical for building my website? To answer this question, let me ask you, can you manage the setup and profile sections of your social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, etc.? If your answer is yes, then you can easily build and maintain your website. With the technological advancements of today, most of the website providers give you the option of a one-click install for your website. This process loads a basic website for you without you needing to get into any technical stuff or coding for building your website. A number of these installs also gives you a backend access to the website's admin area. You can add content, choose designs, choose functionalities, add articles, even create an online shop using this backend. You can customize and represent your needs on your website without any technical knowledge. One product that I use has over 20,000 design sets and over 55,000 functionality modules, all open source and free for you to use. Yes, some of these modules may have advanced segments which might be paid. So you can easily build a website meeting more than 95% of your requirements using this product. Come, join my program where I will teach you the non-tech way to build your website and also maintain it all by yourself, thereby saving a lot of cost in the long run. My name is Mohit Gupta. The Web Design Launchpad is all about building your own website the non-tech way without having any major technical knowledge.